April 1st, 2025. This is going to be just a film as we walk past. I see muscadine grapes, a pine tree, smilax, aka greenbriers. I think it's all greenbrier. American sweet gum, water oak, a different kind of greenbrier. Another water oak. Southern wax myrtle. There's a horsefly chasing me. We got giant swamp chestnut oak. More oaks. Another pine tree. Baby sawtooth, or not sawtooth, swamp chestnut oaks. Cabbage palm. We got some of the native bamboo growing right there. Baby chestnut oak, and some baby greenbriers. Oh, a little, this could be a seedling, because it's all, well, there's some more back there, but there's like none in the intervening space. This is a little baby native bamboo shoot. I wasn't going to even do any commentary, but here we are. Oh, there's another one right there. This is, I think, saw greenbrier. People hate it for no good reason. They call it the devil's plant, and that's just mean. Water oak. These provide lots of acorns for deer and blue jays alike. We have a mulberry here. This one's super shiny, so I think this one is a white mulberry. Not native, but there are red mulberries. Swamp chestnut oak. Go away, bug chasing me, please. This is a wool sower gall wasp that does nothing but go from, makes little, we'll just call it a nest. It's not a nest. It's an egg. Just think of it as an egg. They just lay eggs on this, and then the babies hatch out in the, I guess, fall, maybe spring, I don't know, and then just go and make more on these. Yapon holly, more greenbrier, sweet gum, chestnut oak, more native bamboo, southern magnolia leaf there. I think this is an eastern red cedar. I think. Sweet gum, I saw a moth just go by. Poison ivy, ladybug, native bamboo, wax myrtle, some more poison ivy, chestnut, and the big, tall, dramatic, awesome native bamboo here. Black cherry seedling, which means there's some tree somewhere that's big enough to fruit. More native bamboo, baby oak, southern magnolia, more bamboo, sawbriar, which is a greenbrier, little tiny bamboo, baby oak, another magnolia, sweet gum, yapon holly. I must have walked past the white oak. Here's a black cherry. Carolina laurel cherry. This one's a laurel cherry, not black cherry. Here's the American olive. That is ancient. Look at that trunk. This thing is old, and I never noticed it before because this American beauty berry here will get massive and cover this from the sidewalk view. But it's got flowers. Maybe will fruit because I'm gonna try not to film people in cars. Right there is another one. And they're flowering, so hopefully bees are going back and forth across the street. Here's a white oak, and this one was cool because one year it just stayed evergreen because it was shielded by all the stuff that was here that's not here anymore. Yapon holly with some berries still hanging on. Florida betony. More bamboo shoots. These ones are not new shoots from this year. They were here before, but they are acting like new shoots. They're baby shoots. This was some catchweed bedstraw, which has just been pushed down by the rain currently. Should pop back up. More bamboo. This is I think it's called witchgrass. This might be a privet. I don't think whatever it is not native. And we have an American holly. And yeah, this is some kind of privet. So that one's bad. But the American holly is fantastic. Baby oak. Here's a hackberry, which despite the alarming name is edible and nice and native. Muscadine grapes. There's also a fox grape or something like that. And some native passion flowers. Here's the baby leaves of the red mulberry. And that's it for now. I'll go over to the other side later. Bye-bye.